Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is going to be on how to extend the length of our braids. When you want to extend the length of your braid, what you do after braiding it and you start feeling it's thinning out, that is, it's reducing, you will feel it in your fingertips. That's the point where you add your attachment. What you are seeing on the screen, I'm adding the attachment and hiding it under the short one. Doing it that way will make it not to be obvious that there's an attachment there. Please sit down, relax, and watch closely what I'm doing. I'm going to show you two different ways of doing this. I'm repeating this process of hiding it under the short one. That's the first method. I'm repeating it so you can get what I'm doing. So I'm putting it on a slow motion so you can actually see what I'm doing. You see how even it is? Everything, both the size and the weaving, they all blend together. As you go on weaving, you will get to a stage where you will feel that one part is bigger than the other. One part of those three that you are weaving is bigger than the other. What you need to do is to share it, take from the bigger one and add it to the smaller one to have three equal volume. Then you weave on. But to avoid what just happened now, to avoid having one part of those three attachments that you're weaving, if you don't want a situation where you will have to start sharing, what you do when you are adding, make sure you add 3 times so that those 3 parts will have the same volume. If you have any questions, please let me know on the comment box, and do like and share this video. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Done. You can see the difference. You see the length compared to the original one. See how short it is, and see how added and we have extended. You can actually extend the length of your braids to any length you want, no matter how short the initial weaving is. This is the second method. In this case, what we do when adding, you can add from any point. The only thing you do here is to add. When you are adding, I mean, you hold one part while you drop the other part. What I'm trying to say here is that while weaving, as you can see on the screen what I'm doing, I'm adding. As I add, I use my right hand to hold it and use the left hand to drop the other one. Then I will now weave once. I'll now take the one I drop and weave the second time before adding another one and repeating the same process. I am repeating the process again so you can actually watch very well and get what I'm doing. Repeat the process. See how I'm adding it? I use my right hand to hold it and now take my left hand to drop the other one. I will weave once. Once I weave once, I will now take the one I drop, add it to the next and weave the second time. Then you continue to weave. You will notice that there is no trace at all, whether there is any form of addition at that point. Everything will blend and will be smooth. You can play this back once more and watch how I did it. So this is the second method of how to extend your braiding length. I mean, how to extend the length of your braid. Yeah, we are done here, and see how long it is. Thank you so much for stopping by. Do like, share, and please subscribe to this channel to support us. Thank you and goodbye.